microphone. Talagang hindi tumitigil. Kumusta ka?
I'm okay po. Actually, medyo pagod. It is because I am the makeup artist of candidate number 6 and I'm also a handler of candidate number 6 po.
Wow. Pero okay lang yan. Para pag nanalo sa number 6, meron pa rin ka.
Then aside from that, it's all about the enjoyment and the inspiration that we give to each and every one of us. It's not about the crown.
Yeah. Tara. So, Q&A agad. Okay, pick your number. Okay, you have picture number 8.
Let me first ask, what is this one? Is this a cell phone po, sir? Okay, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, honorable panel judges, we are now living in a digital era wherein eye-to-eye communication is limitless. And it's because we are too much focused on using social media. And I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that as a teacher by profession itself, I am encouraging each and every one of us to actually limit the use of our cell phone. It is because the most important thing here in this world is to talk verbally, mouth to mouth, eye to eye contact with your family. It is because I am the living evidence that inside my family, my parents, my siblings, we do not interact to one another. It is because of the use of cell phone. So I am encouraging each and every human being watching in tonight's competition, let us limit the use of mobile phone. It is because the greatest satisfaction of human life is when we talk mouth to mouth, eye to eye, person to person, to one another. Thank you. Good evening.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, and that concludes